Hello guys, today we are telling you all unwritten rules about Bee Swarm Simulator. So the first rule is to not buy Blueport Hive nor Bubble Mask. It is a waste of resources in early to mid-game. Next rule is to never buy the Fire Mask, as it is also a waste of resources and will make you grind a lot just to get them back. But Honey Mask, on the other hand, is way better, and you should definitely save up for it. And don't forget the Cobalt and Crimson Guards with Honeycomb Belt. Instead of buying Fire and Bubble Mask, buy all for gears in a shop. Next rule is what you should never do in BSS. Do not buy Spark Staff, as it's a waste of honey and can collect really badly. Highest is only 10,000 pollen. But Golden Ray can do 18,000 pollen per second. Next rule is to get the Petal Wand with your first Spirit Petal, then Windy Bee, then Petal Belt. And you may be wondering how to get Windy Bee. Well, you have to donate the second Spirit Petal to the Wind Shrine, then donate Cloud Vials. And every time you donate Cloud Vials, the more luck you will get. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, comment down below what I missed.